Learned Counsel Mr. S. now is present. Learned additional PP, Ms. N. also submitted the charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner B. CS number. AB, B
BA, my lord.
on interim bail.
No, my lord. 1 and 3, 2 has already been granted.
Petitioner is at liberty to
Petitioners numbers 1 and 3. 2 has already been granted bail.
bail. Okay. The petitioners number 1 and 3 are liberty to approach the jurisdictional court, stroke Alaga magistrate and apply for bail, which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, in connection with item number 18, Your Lordship, I have filed an additional affidavit that may be called for. 1880, 18.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item 17, Lordship. I may be allowed to withdraw the petition.
Learned Counsel, Mr. B.C. Das,
S.H. Rahman.
S.H.
Rahman.
Roman. Bail application
Lordship.
has prayed for withdrawal of the petition. Learned, you are for the other side?
No, my lord.
Learned additional PP. There are several respondents in item number 7.
Also, Lordship, informant is there.
Okay. Learned additional PP, Miss N. Das is present. Petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, dear Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a BA. My lord, what happened, my lord? It's supposed to be listed.
May it please the Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23 and 25. There, my lord, I have instructions to withdraw, my lord. This bail applications 23 and 25 arising out of same case records, my lord.
Learned Counsel, Mr. M.H. Choudhury has prayed for withdrawal of the petition. Learned additional PP, Miss N. Das is present. Petition is dismissed on withdrawal. 23 and 25?
My lord, yes, 23 and 25. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24. Just now I have checked the office note, Lordship. Scan copy of case diary was called for, but that is waited, Lordship. So I'm praying
Can copies of CD as called for is not received, issue reminder.
next week, Lordship. Any day.
Trial court record, no?
Yes, Lordship.
Trial court record, yeah, CD, no. List the matter on next week, date 2nd June. Next week,
Okay.
2nd June.
Second.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention
Item number, just a moment, 24. Yes, yes.
I beg to mention item 31, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, seniors have some personal difficulties today. I am on interim, Lordship.
Learned Counsel, Miss
R. Begum on behalf of
R. Begum on behalf of Learned Counsel,
S. Munir.
Mr. S. Munir has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on interim order shall remain in force till then.
Lordship, any date of first week of June. I'm on interim.
May it please your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 30.
Hmm.
In this case, service report upon respondent number 2 is awaited, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly appoint an amicus hearing in this case because we have been waiting for this report since
No,
1993.
no. Not at this stage. It has to be served or has to be returned. Not at the awaited stage. They can obtain instructions. They can obtain instructions if it is served. Learned Counsel, Miss
Q Kiba, Lord.
Q. Kibalun.
Q Kiba.
Q. Kiba is present for on behalf of
SK Nargis, Lord.
is present on behalf of Learned Counsel, Miss S.K. Nargis. Service report on respondent number 2 is awaited. Learned additional PP, Miss Andas is present. List the matter on.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention 33, my lord.
Hmm.
Can you take it out next week, any date, my lord?
CD, you have called for a CD?
CD was called for.
You have the CD? CD has called for is not received, issue reminder. Okay, then. Or CD have received. Learned Counsel, Miss N. Mahajan has prayed for adjournment. CD is received. CD to be retained till
Obliged, my lord.
list on 29 May.
May it please your
Hmm.
lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, notice under section 47 DNSS, so in case number 15, so no grounds of arrest is there, lordship. Moreover, lordship, in this,
Yes, yes, we'll call for the scan copies of the
Lordship.
trial court record along with the scan copies of the CD.
lordship, I may please, lordship.
No, both the parties have to be heard. We'll have to hear the prosecution also.
Lordship,
The matter on
lordship, one accused has been already granted, co-accused on motion status, lordship.
charges has been submitted, no?
Charge sheet not been submitted before charge sheet, lordship.
Scan copies नहीं लिखी बस CD लिखी दिया. Investigation is going on.
Lordship.
Call for the CD. This is the matter on.
Lordship.
May it please your lordship.
Hmm.
Here the petitioner is in custody for 39 days as of today, lordship. FIR, your lordship will find at page 11. Your lordship allegation is that 17.2 grams of heroin was suspected heroin was recovered from his house. That is the allegation,
Oh,
lordship.
CD, lordship.
39 days, may I pay
Well,
for
it's okay. We'll call for the CD next week.
next Monday or Tuesday, lordship?
Monday.
Tuesday.
Which?
This is from Soigan, lordship.
Okay. Yes. Not Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. Call for the CD. List the matter on Wednesday. Try to deliver.
Obliged.
Lordship, this item may be taken after some time.
After some time.
Item 4. Item 4.
Pass on.
Item 5. Item 6. Item 7.
What is wrong? What's wrong? Pani? Water logging? Okay, I didn't check the morning news today.
Item 8.
All. We'll wait for, if they don't turn up, then maybe at 11:30 night.
Item
9. We'll wait. Touch.
আমি আছি হ্যাঁ
Item 9.
ভিডিওটা দেয়নি এখন
Okay. Just a moment. Item number?
5.
You're present for item number 5?
Lordship.
No. So video conferencing?
I'm for item number 15, my lord.
Item number 15. No. It has not yet reached item number 15.
Okay.
Item number?
5. Should the petitioner did the 483 bail application, lordship.
Hmm.
The petitioner was arrested on 10/11.
Let us issue notice.
Ground of arrest, lordship.
Yes.
Certified copy, lordship.
But learned counsel, Mr.
P board, lordship.
P. Baudelaire is present for Supreme Court is issuing notice to PP
Lordship.
on grounds of arrest, and I will just pass order. Learned counsel, Mr. P. Baudelaire is present for the petitioner. Learned addition PP Miss Endas is present for the respondent state petitioner to take steps to issue notice to respondent number 2 returnable on
Can be on 4th of June, lordship.
and
Lordship.
investigation is going on.
Lordship. No, trial is going on.
Call for a scan copies of the trial court record along with the scan copies of the PD. List the matter on court.
Lordship, steps up on the respondent to lordship.
Of course.
Lordship.
Item 3.
Oblige, your lordship.
The NDPS matter, I don't look. The NDPS matter, 22C,
CS submitted.
ACS has been
Call for the
submitted.
scan copies of the trial court record along with the scan copies of the CD. This is a better way to submit.
সাউন্ড
Mr.
একটু দিন তো।
Call for the list the matter on.
আচ্ছা।
Item number 9.
কোনটা?
Charge-sheeted POXO matter, my lord, notice to.
Learned counsel, Mr. S. Rana is present for the petitioner. Learned additional PP Miss Endas is present for the respondent number 1. Petitioner to take steps to issue notice to the respondent number 2 returnable on. This investigation is going on or charge sheet?
Charge-sheeted, madam. LCR में
Meanwhile, call for the scanned copies of the trial court record along with the scanned copies of the CD.
of my lordship.
Typing item 4.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, at this stage only scan copy may be called for, Your Lordship. On 13th, if possible, Your Lordship.
NDPS.
NDPS, Your Lordship.
Call for the-
Special case number 149/23 from Sribhumi.
Call for the scanned copies of the trial court record along with the scanned copy of the CD list that matter on
13th May, Your Lordship.
Huh?
13 May.
30 May.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Jagah hobo. 30 May.
Similar prayer item number 6 and 7, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Same code, Your Lordship. Same day, Your Lordship. Scan copy may be called.
Same FIR.
No, Your Lordship. FIR are different, Your
All
Lordship.
right.
I know it.
Same order, same day.
Item number 8.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
The regular bail application NDPS matter section C, Lordship 22C. Lordship, in this case, similar case has been called for the scan.
Hmm.
The case record, Lordship, that is
This
fixed
is
on.
DRI, no? NCB. I think they have, chassis has been submitted.
Lordship.
Chassis has been submitted.
Yes, yes.
Then I think they will take time for objection also. Okay,
Lordship,
same
other
day you
case-
submit your objection, don't take another day's time.
Lordship.
Lordship, there's a similar cases fixed for the Monday.
Yes, yes.
So,
Call for the scanned
to-
copies of the trial court record along with the scanned copies of the CD. List them matter on Monday.
26/5 with a 515 BA number 15 BA number 158325. Deep knowledge.
Lordship, this is charge sheet case, Lordship. Lordship, in this case,
NDPS.
NDPS, Lordship.
We'll
And
need
this
the
is-
scanned copies of the.
Lordship,
trial
I need 1 minute of submission, Lordship.
No, no.
1 minute,
No,
Lordship.
no.
I have one order, Lordship.
No.
Same accused,
No, no,
Lordship.
we'll need the scanned copies of it. This is NDPS case. We'll need
In
it.
another court, Lordship, they got the bail, Lordship. I have annexed an order there.
I know. I'm sorry. Call
Lordship,
for
they sought
scanned
it.
copies of the trial court record along with the scanned copies of the CD and you submit your objection on the.
Lordship.
Update, Lordship, because
Yes, got it, yes.
already
Sure.
long, 1 year.
Sure.
29.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, 29 May it will take time, Lordship.
Today is
Oh,
20.
yes, sir. I'm obliged, Lordship.
You are thinking it's.
I'm obliged, Lordship. Sorry.
Lordship, it's in bail in Poxo matter. CD is already there.
Learned Counsel Mr. D.K. Agarwal.
CD, my lord, CD is already there in another matter.
Order,
AB.
Petitioner Learned additional 50 Miss and Das is present for the respondent state. Have you issued notice to respond number 2?
Notice can be issued today, my lords. In that matter, notice
Petitioner
has been
took
issued
steps to issue notice to respondent number 2 returnable on when?
on 27th,
27.
tagged with NT-AB 953 of 2025.
I'll list this matter on 27/5 along with.
AB 953 of 2025. Much obliged.
Item 12.
May it please the Lordship. Well, page 9 is the FIR, your Lordship. It's a pre-arrest bail application. Manoj, here, Manoj, the FIR, Manoj, the petitioner is not named. Manoj, Lordship knows, Manoj, it's, Manoj, the 3 persons are named, Manoj, they were arrested, Manoj. Petitioners are not, petitioner is not named, Manoj. Lordship knows, Manoj, the cheating case, there cannot be a third party, Manoj. In a cheating case, Lordship, there cannot be it's a cheating case, Manoj, regarding a selling of a boat, Manoj. So from a one person to another person.
We'll need the
Lordship, may
CD.
kindly turn to page 14. Page 14, your Lordship. A similarly situated person has been granted the interim pre-arrest bail, your lordship. He is not named in the FIR, lordship. Similarly, the lordship knows, my lord, that my lord, in my lord, a cheating case, my lord, a third person cannot be cheated. One person is cheated, my lord. My lord. But here, my lord, he is not named in the FIR. Only he, my lord, to be frank enough, my lord, he knows the my lord, the some of the FIR named accused, my lord.
See,
Similar,
why you are going into the merits of the ingredients of the offense?
lordship is correct, my lord, but my lordship is
The appropriate section will be added later.
lordship,
We'll
but
go
my
for the CD.
but similarly situated person has been granted. Lordship may kindly see the order, my lord.
No. Call for the CD, list the matter on, this case is fixed for
26.
26/5.
Oblige, your lordship.
Matter may be taken after some time.
Okay. Item number 14.
Please, your lordship. So it's an anticipated bail application, your lordship. FIR, your lordship will find it page 40.
Scan copies.
Lordship, kindly see annexure 2, page 19, lordship, just for a moment. I'm medically prescribed to have some medicines, your lord. These are the de-addiction tablets. I am under treatment, your lordship, and counseling. Only 1.30 gram suspected heroin was recovered, my lord.
call for the scan copies of the trial court record along with the scan copies of the CD. After going to the scan copies.
Shorted will speak, your lordship.
Yes, sure.
Oblige, your lordship.
Item number 15 for admission.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 2 in this matter.
Respondent number 2.
Respondent 2. I have already filed my objection, my lord. If your lordship can kindly remember that this matter pertains to a private complaint. It is between a dispute between two private parties. The state of West Bengal has got nothing to do in this matter. The state of West Bengal has been arrayed as a party, and there is no cause of
Can you
action.
increase the volume of your speaker?
My lord.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, slightly.
I am audible now.
Not properly.
Am I audible now?
You can carry on. I'll try to train my ears. You can carry on.
Lordship, there is no cause of action against the state of West Bengal. The entire dispute pertains to two private individuals, two private companies, where state of West Bengal has got nothing to do. The state of West Bengal has been arrayed as a party. On the last occasion, your lordship had rightly pointed out this particular fact before the learned advocate who was appearing for the petitioner. There is no cause of action, and moreover, this is a misjoinder and non-joinder of party. If my lord will kindly come to my objection, paragraph 4 and paragraph 5. Paragraph 4 and paragraph 5, my lord.
Yes.
Paragraph 4 and paragraph 5.
Yes.
That this deponent begs to state that petitioner filed the present writ petition for quashing the complaint bearing case number so and so pending before the Metropolitan Magistrate, 15th Court, Calcutta. The aforesaid complaint has been filed by the respondent number 1, so and so, and the case has been registered under section 406 by 420 of the IPC. From the perusal of the complaint dated 6th of April 2024, Annexure 3 of the writ petition, it has been found that the entire matter is purely a civil dispute between the petitioner and the respondent number 1. The respondent number 2 is no way involved in the dispute between the petitioner and the respondent.
Okay.
Paragraph 5, my lord. That this deponent begs to state that there is no cause of action against the respondent number 2 in the writ petition. And in fact, not a single allegation or averment has been made against the respondent number 2, that is state of West Bengal, in this writ petition. Moreover, the petitioner made the state of West Bengal as respondent number 2 in the writ petition without mentioning the concerned department in the cause title. So, just for namesake, the state of West Bengal has been arrayed as a party and made a respondent in this particular case, where state of West Bengal has got nothing to do in this matter. Absolutely nothing to do in this matter. It's purely a dispute between two parties, a financial dispute between two parties, for which one party went to the Metropolitan Magistrates Court, filed a complaint, and on the basis of that, they have come before your lordship with a writ petition.
Okay.
So my humble prayer, my lord, that state of West Bengal, that is the respondent number 2, may kindly be dropped from the entire proceedings.
Yes.
Lordship, I am on behalf of T.A. Chaudhary, Lordship. Due to some family urgency, T.A. Chaudhary is not out of station. Family urgency, Lordship. T.A.
Okay,
Chaudhary
petitioner is out of station.
out of station.
We'll adjourn the matter. Petitioner is out of station.
But my lord, this is so long it is going on, and for no fault on the part of the respondent number 2.
Where is he?
Due to
Yes,
family
correct.
urgency, is out of station.
Huh?
Out of station, Lordship.
He is not present, out of station.
My lord will kindly fix it on next Thursday then.
Next Thursday?
Next Thursday, that is 29th.
Lordship, interim
Learned
order may be
Counsel,
extended.
Mr. What is your name?
Mr. J. Nabi.
J.
J. Nabi.
Nabi, you are appearing on behalf of?
T.A. Chaudhary, Lordship.
On behalf of learned T.A. Chaudhary has prayed for adjournment as learned
My
counsel.
lord will kindly record my submissions at least.
Yes, yes. T.A. Chaudhary is out of station. Learned government advocate, Miss.
I am with Mr. Dev, Lordship.
Okay, okay.
Let
Learned
number
government advocate, Mr. B. Dev is present through video conferencing for respondent number 2
Lordship.
and has submitted that this matter pertains to private dispute solely between two private parties, two private companies.
Yes, Lordship.
Two private companies, and the state of West Bengal has been erroneously arrayed as a party and has prayed to strike off the state of West Bengal from the array of parties. Full stop. Learned Counsel, Mr.
P board lord for respondent number 1.
P. Bodley is present for respondent number 1. List this matter on
Can it be on
29th?
4th June.
22? Next Thursday there is a problem.
Next Thursday, they have problem. On 4th June?
4th June.
Lordship,
On 4th June, 4/6.
4/6 will be a problem for me. Will it
Any
be
other
possible? Will it be possible on 29th
29th?
of May? 29th of May, that is next
June.
Thursday.
2nd June.
My lord,
Second,
unnecessarily, we are suffering unnecessarily, my lord. Your lordship will kindly
Second
understand
June.
our
I
situation.
understand, yes. And 2nd June?
2nd June, my lord, I am traveling to Mizoram.
Oh.
Since I am the Advocate General of Mizoram, I
No,
have
no,
to
you'll
regularly
be in
travel there.
Mizoram.
Any date in there also.
29 May?
No problem.
In fact, I'll be in Guwahati on 28th.
30. On 29th, Lordship.
All right, on 29.
29th.
I am deeply obliged.
Apply.
But my lord will kindly record that this will be the
I have
last chance
recorded your
given.
submission. I have recorded.
Lordship, interim order may be
The
extended.
matter may be disposed of on that day.
Okay. Interim order shall remain in force till the next date of listing.
Thank you, Lordship.
Item 16 for bail hearing.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for time being, Lordship.
Lordship.
Blessed.
Item number 18.
My pleasure, please, your lordship. In the last occasion, your lordship, I have filed an additional affidavit. I think that affidavit has already come, your lordship. In that affidavit, your lordship, I have annexed the notice served under section 50, your lordship. That is page number 49.
Seventeen to very course. Just a moment. 17. They have withdrawn the petition. I will record your presence.
They have withdrawn the.
Withdrawn. I'll record your presence.
Yes, sir.
17 Likhiva, Learned Counsel Ms. D also is present for the respondent number 2. They have withdrawn the petition.
Yes.
Herein, this is such stated case, your lordship, and the petitioner is in custody for 709 days.
How many days?
709 days. And in connection with this matter, your lordship, I have filed an additional affidavit whereby I have brought on record the notice served under section 50, your lordship. That may be seen, your lordship, at page 49.
Hmm.
Yes, at page 49, your lordship.
Yes, yes. Page 49, yes.
Yes, I am reading it, your lordship. This is to inform you that the below noted accused person has been arrested in connection with Golpara PS case number so and so and kept him under PS, and he is being forwarded to the Chief Judicial Magistrate Golpara within 24 hours.
Hmm.
So herein there is nothing has been mentioned, your lordship, regarding ground of arrest, your lordship.
What is the contraband?
Contraband was the capsule, your lordship.
Huh?
1,224 numbers of capsule was.
It's a tramadol, madam. Commercial quantity of tramadol.
1,200?
1,224 ounces of capsule.
224 capsule
It will
tramadol.
come- It will come to my lord.
Yes,
more than-
passports.
If we go by the kg, my lord, weight, my lord, it is commercial quantity above 500 grams.
Above 500 grams.
660 grams.
How much?
660.
660 grams.
No.
Okay.
Regarding the quantity part, your lordship, I am not on that. But so far the notice 15 is concerned, your lordship. There is nothing mentioned regarding the ground of arrest, your lordship. And on that ground, your lordship, so many judgment has been given, and perhaps your lordship has also given some.
Yes,
Your
yes.
I am only for that, your lordship.
They have come up with a new argument now.
Lord,
That Pankaj Bansal's case.
No, no.
What is
By
the
denying the whole,
What is the benchmark?
it is my lord, before, this arrest is also
What is
before
date,
Pankaj
date,
Bansal.
date?
It is my 3/10/2023.
Before that, 3/10/2023.
So
It
now-
has to be written, and after 3/10/2023, grounds of arrest have to be written, and before that, you can communicate verbally, orally.
I will give one judgment of this honorable court, your lordship, wherein detailed judgment of Pankaj Bansal as well as all other judgment has been
Yes,
discussed,
yes.
and considering all aspect, your lordship, bail has been granted.
That all, more or less, these are all given, my lord.
I will give it
He
this
can give-
judgment.
Adjournment then tomorrow? Tomorrow then? Day after
Is it-
tomorrow?
I have 27, others are fixed. 27, some cases are fixed on 27. Yeah.
On 27?
27, some. 27.
27.
29 argument.
We'll have a detailed argument then. In detail. Learned Counsel, Mr.
A.M. Khan, your lord.
M.
A.M. Khan.
A.M. Khan has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on 29. All the cases will
Yes,
take up.
what judgment he is referring, my lord, he can, so that we can reply.
You give him the judgment on which he wants to rely.
Just, we have
On the
given.
same day, so that he can reply on the
Yes,
same day.
yes.
Today you give him the
Yes,
judgment.
Yes,
At least the BA number.
yes, my lord, we adopt the same argument, my lord, yesterday, my lord, panel.
That he submitted that, the law, I have kept it in a separate file. To deal with all the cases, I have kept it in a
Yes,
separate file.
we rely on those. These are also.
All right.
That same argument.
Same.
Okay,
Same,
let him
because
give the
they also
judgment.
same.
It may change also, your argument may change.
Yes,
also.
after
Let him
that,
give the judgment.
but otherwise, my lord, it is,
All right.
uh,
On 27 or 29?
6 to 4.
Item 19.
6 to 4.
My lord, 483 bail.
She'll ask for time being.
My lord, 4
She'll
years,
ask for
4
some
months
time.
inside jail, my lord.
May,
4 years, 4 months inside there, my
Lordship,
lord.
may I please,
I'll
Lordship,
have to hear them.
Yes.
may I please, Lordship, we need 2-3 days time to file our objection,
Day
Lordship.
after tomorrow, my lord.
2-3 days time.
Day after
No,
tomorrow.
day after. You will be able to file objection day after tomorrow.
Already ready.
No, Lordship,
They have
we
taken
received,
adjournment for so many cases to file objection. Day
Lord,
after tomorrow, they won't be able to file.
Day after
Just we
tomorrow,
will
Lordship.
fix up and then.
Tuesday, Lordship.
Next Tuesday.
Friday, my lord.
Next
Friday.
Tuesday is the hearing day.
Friday.
Hmm?
Friday, my lord.
This, it's Friday.
Ready,
Friday.
just
Friday,
file.
tomorrow.
Already ready, just file. today.
On Wednesday, you can file, huh? Is it ready?
Yes,
Prepared?
Adi-
I have already informed that
No,
it's
she won't
prepared.
know.
Tuesday, Lordship.
Tuesday, it will be-
We
Monday,
received,
my,
but there are some errors, Lordship. That's why.
Monday, my lord.
No, not on Monday. There are too many cases on Monday. All of 28 on Wednesday.
28.
Learned Council, Miss, what is your name?
And Kakoti, Lordship.
And Kakoti, on behalf of Learned Standing Council, Mr. S.C. Kyal, representing the NCB, has prayed for adjournment, adjournment, or file objection, list the matter on 28.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Deep level, my lord.
Learned Council for the petition is present. Mr. T. Hussain is present for the petition.
May it please Lordship, Lordship, kindly come to the page number 17, Lordship. Lordship, this is the notice under section 50 of NDPS, not CRP.
You have the LCR?
No, it is, my lord, not succeeded.
CD, we call for the CD.
CD
CD is there.
Huh? You have the
CD.
CD?
CD
Okay,
received.
all right.
Lordship, page number 17, Lordship, may kind last page.
Hmm.
This is the notice under section 50 of NDPS Act, not CRPC, Lordship.
Mhm.
So grounds of arrest are missing here, Lordship. And even the page number 15, Lordship, arrest memo, no grounds are mentioned. So I would like to refer the cases of Jihan Kumar and Pravir Purkayasko, Lordship.
What do you have in the CD?
My CD, my lord, he is directly implicated, my lord, from his position, conscious position,
What
my
about
lord.
section 50?
Yes, section 50 of lordship may kindly see, but merit wise, my lord, he has no case, my lord, because 2.37 kg of methamphetamine and also FSL is also positive now.
2.3 kgs of methamphetamine.
Methamphetamine, yes. My lord.
He was
Carrying, my lord, he is carrying.
during Naka checking, he was caught.
Yes, my lord. Then, my lord, this is regarding merit, my lord. Regarding my section 50.
Let me see the CD.
Lordship.
How many kgs of methamphetamine?
This is tablets are
2 kilograms, 37 grams.
2.37 kg.
2.37 kgs.
Kgs, my lord.
Why are you paying for bail
2 kilograms.
on grounds of arrest
30
during investigation? Why?
This is the fundamental rights.
No fundamental rights.
Lordship.
Everybody,
Fundamental right to transport 2.37 kgs of methamphetamine. Fundamental right. You want
Procedural
a
lapses are
fundamental
there.
right.
Lordship.
whether the
Procedure-
fundamental rights are for
Yes,
my
And
lord,
you caught during Naka checking.
This is
We'll
stringent.
wait for the Supreme Court judgment.
because my
Kept in reserve
So in regard
regard to that hit and run case.
for red handed, Lordship.
We'll wait for that case.
Jasila Sila is there, Lordship. I have the Lordship. In case of court red handed.
Why are you asking for fundamental right to transport?
No, this is not
2.5
actually.
kgs of methamphetamine
Police has not
tablets?
complied
Why?
the mandatory
This is
provisions,
fundamental
Lordship. Mandatory fundamental rights has not permitted. But police has not complied the mandatory provisions of stringent conditions.
these are the
Sometimes
issues, my
police
lord,
may manipulate the cases
that
also,
has-
Lordship.
my lord, these are the issues, my lord, that has come in the mind of Honorable Apex Court also. That is why it was kept pending, my lord. Because if
Police has, what police has, what was your submission, police has?
police has
Not complied, section
Not
50,
complied.
that's,
No. It is true, has not complied. Let me see the
yes.
CD.
Because
Yes, the fundamental right.
Like mark, madam. Just, madam,
If you come up with such petitions, I'll recuse. Really, I'll refuse from passing orders.
Lordship, this is the grounds of arrest, Lordship. Clear.
I'll really recuse from
Supreme
passing
Court has
orders.
already given so many cases. The Ashish Kakkar was also there. Bihan Kumar is there. Probir
We have
Bansal
been
is
in
there.
bars for how many
Even
days?
our court is also extended so many.
If behind bars for how many days?
This is 148 days.
and my another case is ready.
Lordship,
for
I have not
trial
come for the long incarceration. I have come on the
because
account of
FSL
arrest.
FSL also
Violation.
positive, man.
Very brilliant.
And pointing the seizure to the FSL, man. And I Lordship will kindly read the section 50, minor. It is not very much vague, minor. It's not, if your Lordship goes to the section 50 notice, man. Everything is given, man.
But this is under NDBS Act. But under section CRPC, I am not provided any notice. I am not talking about the section 50 of NDBS Act.
Okay, kindly see the last rejected order, my lord, but I have not remarked, man. The trial court, man, it is very much clear.
Not rejected. Reject one.
Reject no, the sampling, there is
Reject one.
a sampling order.
Hmm.
Total 20,000 Yaba tablets. Weighing 2 kg 37 gram.
There's a section 47 notification here. Notice
Yeah, available.
in the CD, yes, available.
But the grounds of arrest are not mentioned. The
You
primary
got
facie illegality
Have you
cannot be.
received a copy of the notification, section 47?
I have the arrest memo, Lordship, not grounds of arrest. Section 50 notice is with me. As Lordship, primary facie illegality cannot be
There's a
cured
section
merely by.
47 notification here.
Yes.
There's a notification under section 47 B
But
and S.
notification, this is just intimation, Lordship. This is not the grounds of arrest.
Arrest memo is also not required. In addition, you will have to give you are relying on which judgment?
Probir Purkasta, Lordship. Ashish Kakkar, Lordship.
Probi Bukasta and Ashish?
Kakkar. I have the judgment.
Here, my another submission is that my says special act. My special act is here because if there is section 50 under NDPS, which allows the my lord which requires the police officer to inform, and that notice is very much clear. And there your lordship will find very nicely my lord grounds were given, my lord. Why is there? Page 17, if your lordship The petition.
Page 17
Of
of
the
which,
petition.
which case?
No, my this petition, my lord, under section 50, notice served on him, my lord. That is required as it is required under section.
But section 50 notices relating to
NDPS.
NDPS relating to seizure.
Yes, my lord, that is what.
So even in Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar, arrest must be based on necessity and due process. Arrest without justification is illegal in subsequent
No,
steps.
please. Anish Kumar is something very different.
Anish Kumar is very different.
The DK also, the DK was also there. Retrospectively,
What?
in DK Bashu, it is said that retrospective legitimate these violations cannot be legitimized the retrospective effect.
DK Basu is very clear, man. They were not. DK Basu is clear. That's all.
Page 17, no?
17.
7.
Lord, you will find there is reason to believe the NDPS, psychotropic substance, or documents, articles, and things which may furnish evidence of commission of an offender under the NDPS Act are in your possession. Therefore, your personal search is to be conducted by the undersigned. If you request so, search will be conducted in the presence of magistrate. So,
It is
very much
search
aware,
which
man.
is section 50 lordship. Search regarding search lordship is
If
clearly
you are
mentioned.
found in this
Search and search has to be made before the whole magistrate or gazetted officer. This is the section 50 of NDPS, not grounds of arrest. Section 50 of CRPC talks about the grounds of arrest. Now 47 in the BNS. This is the different issue, lordship. This is the statutory provision, lordship.
You have given probable cause of judgment.
Yes, lordship.
Which paragraph?
I
30 and 46.
22, I think. Lord.
You,
I've written that.
30 and 46.
Yes.
Please read the paragraphs.
Actually, probable cause as was single copy with me. Ashish Kakkar is with me.
Ashish Kakkar.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. I'll read it. You sit down. I'll read.
Lordship.
And give me the Ashish Kakkar judgment.
Yes, I have submitted.
Twenty-two is not relevant because Sachit has not been submitted. Para 22. You are relying on para
Yes.
22.
So I am the
It's
other.
not relevant. Sachit
I
has
think
not
36 and 30 paragraph actually I forgot that single copy with me. That's why. I mean, Ashish Kakkar it's mentioned.
been. Where is in this judgment in Probi Pukasta's case that it must be under section, not under section 50 of the NDPS Act, it must be exactly under section 47 of the NDPS Act? Where has it been mentioned in this judgment? It must be exactly under section 47 of the NDPS Act. This is a serious matter. We'll have to ponder over it.
Your Lordship,
It is not mentioned in this Pukasta's case. The
40
grounds, according to me, the grounds of arrest has been clearly mentioned in the section 50 notification. We'll keep the CD for one more week.
but
It has to be under section 47 and
Yes.
it has to be mentioned in the arrest memo where you show me clearly. It cannot be in the section 50
Lordship,
notice.
it is mentioned, I think.
No.
Not
It has,
Section-
see, I'll not keep on asking and you'll not keep me showing. You come prepared. We'll keep the CD for one more day or for one more week.
That is the 29th, madam.
As it is, you're taking the plea
Yes, Lordship.
that it must be under section 47, under section 50,
Lordship.
under section 48. Under section 48, we have a judgment.
Lordship.
Vihan Kumar, we have a judgment. So
Lordship,
you come prepared. I'll not keep on asking each and every question.
yes,
You
Lordship.
come prepared.
Yeah.
And you'll not be searching and showing one after the other. So you come prepared. This is my query.
Lord-
We'll retain the CD for
Lordship.
how many days? 3-4 days?
Yes, madam, on 29th, and
Learned Counsel Mr.
M. Rahman.
M. Roman has submitted for time to place certain Supreme Court judgments
Yes, sir.
in support of his argument. List the matter on 29th.
Lordship.
CD to be retained till 29th.
On that day, it has to be disposed because otherwise,
I'll send back. Even if he won't be able to come up with anything, or even if
any
he will
either
be
way,
able
madam,
to come
dispose.
up, I'll send it back.
Item number 21.
Obliged.
Service report.
You want.
Service report on respond number 2 is awaited.
Awaited, Lordship, so far as my information goes, my lord, he has received notice yesterday, ma'am.
Mm.
May I pray for shortest date?
Okay. Service report on respondent number 2 is awaited. List the matter on short date at a different 30 May or shorter date
20 or 8 or 20, 20?
29.
Obliged.
29 পাই ইমানবোৰ NDPS ৰ কেছ আছে ঠিক আছে
Yes, yes, to be done.
Item 26.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, petitioner was arrested in connection with Hatkati PS number 45 of 2025 on 5th of this month, 5th of, which is today 17 days behind bar, lordship. Fire is registered under section 61 clause 2 and 123 of BNS and 21A of NDPS.
You have a
lordship.
CD
CG will receive, madam.
can be granted I think 21A.
Yes, madam, but only 17 days in custody, but some investigation required, madam. He has said that he has got this from one unknown person, madam. And he comes from Nagaland and take this and he gets it for selling otherwise, madam. So some investigation has to be required, madam, because now within 16, 17 days he cannot be found, madam. Other person whom he said that he is an unknown person to him, that has to be arrested, madam, to, my lord, check the nexus, madam. Otherwise,
My lord,
without getting hold of this person's, my lord, we cannot, madam. So at least some days he has to be there, madam.
lordship, the substances was just 6 milligrams, lordship. And
Anyway, it is a
it's
60
a
days-
small
60 days
quantity,
of-
lordship, and nothing is alleged in the fire. It's not for
60 days
commercial
offense,
purpose
he
or
has come
whatsoever.
from Nagaland.
You go through the seizure list, it's just a Maruti car seized and the contraband. No money, no money was seized, no promissory note was seized. Only the grams. Lordship, also I have a 77-year-old senior mother who's a cancer who's undergoing cancer treatment. And stage, lordship. And my presence is indispensable at this moment. Kindly consider, lordship. And my brother is also undergoing dialysis. Lordship. I have annexed the medical Medical health record. Okay, you will think about it. You think about all the-
10 grams is intermediate quantity.
My lord, yes, sir. It is less than
10 grams.
small quantity. Less than income. By the way, it is non-valuable, my lord, and it is carry 60 days.
Lordship, I want to respectfully place reliance of the coordinate bench.
Yes. Every case is not the
Third
same
learned
case, my lord.
counsel will grant.
Yes.
Under objection, I will grant this.
My lord.
Third learned counsel, Miss
Totally kids.
Otoli Kids,
Yes,
who has
yes, Lord.
filed his for the petitioner, so and so, who has filed his application under section 438 of the B, 483 of the B and WS 2023 with prayer for bail and is behind bars in since 5/5/2025 in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. Heard Mr. MP Goswami learned additional PP who has raised serious objections stating that the petitioner is involved in transporting drugs. It is submitted that investigation is still at its nascent stage and the person from whom the petitioner has procured the drugs found in his possession is yet to be
Yes, to be
identified and arrested. Full stop. Moreover, it is submitted that the petitioner is not a local resident and he is a flight risk. I've considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that his brother has to undergo dialysis.
Yes, Lordship. My mom is also
Page
page 18 to 31st.
more
Copy of medical report and
moreover,
health report.
the petitioner's mother is an
Undergoing-
elderly ailing
Yes.
person. The annexure 2 of the petition are the medical documents. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. I have considered the plight of the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner is willing to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation. As remaining part, full stop. Considering all aspects, the petitioner is enlarged on bail of rupees 50,000 with 2 local sureties of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned jurisdictional court stroke Elaka magistrate. It's with the magistrate or jurisdictional court?
It's with the magistrate.
Magistrate. Magistrate.
Judicial magistrate. Yes. It was supposed to send to Diffu. It was sent to Diffu. The jail is in Diffu, but the court is in Bokajad. The matter was supposed to send to Diffu.
Elaka magistrate under the condition, jurisdictional court stroke Elaka magistrate under the condition that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which is alleged, and the petitioner shall cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation, and he shall not jump bail on breach of any of the bail conditions. The court is at liberty to cancel the bail granted to the petitioner. Send
One
the
more,
CD.
let him appear, my lord, every 14 days at
The
least. For
petitioner is also directed to appear before the Arvata Consent Division
every 14 days.
on
at
every
least for-
fortnight before the IO
at
till
least-
completion of investigation.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 27.
Please, the Lord. This is an NDPS matter. In this matter, charge sheet has been submitted on 4/3/23 and charges were framed on 6/7/23. I have been in judicial custody for the last 2 years, 5 months, 22 days. In this
Submitted
on 4/3/23 and charges were framed on 6/7/23.
How many witnesses have been?
There are 8 witnesses, out of which 4 witnesses were examined till date.
So on what ground you are seeking?
I'm asking for bail on the ground of length of detention
No.
along with grounds of arrest.
Grounds of arrest maybe, but length of detention, no. What is the contraband?
Sorry.
What is the contraband?
Cannabis.
How many kilos?
517.
517
17.
kilos.
3 of the co-accused are already given bail.
By whom?
By Justice Mitali Thakuria. I have annexed the bail orders also in Annexure 3, page number 23.
On grounds of
Well,
arrest.
Yes,
and
on the grounds
at
of
that time,
arrest.
perhaps not pleaded, my lord, but this arrest is before the coming of the month of Jan.
Yes, but
So there is no clear direction to keep the written grounds of arrest. So we are taking the same arguments as we have made item 42. my
You come prepared. They have a very valid argument. And it has been observed in this Provi Picasso case also. Provi Picasso's case, paragraph 14, I think.
yes,
Or maybe paragraph something, I forgot. It has been observed. It has to be before that date.
Yes, man, very specific, man, in Aurora's case.
help me get it out in the next week. In the next week.
We are taking up all those matters together on 29, no? 29. See, in Provi Picasso's case, it has been again affirmed that Pankaj Bansal's case, that this order, that grounds of arrest has to be communicated in writing,
Yes, in right. But
will have prospective effect. So it will have effect from how much? I think what is
3,
the
10,
date?
20, 23.
Huh?
3, 10, 23.
3, 10, 23. So you come prepared with that. And it has been established in Provi Picasso's case that it has to be in writing only after 3, 10, 23, not before 3, 10, 23. Where? Ramkrishna Arora and Provi Picasso also.
Yes.
It has been affirmed. They have a very valid argument, and I am getting inclined towards the argument. So you come prepared.
Let's.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
S. Afridi.
S.
Afridi.
Afridi has submitted for time to place his argument substantiated by judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court. This is the matter on 29. It will be very liquidation. Item 28 and 29.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmad.
28, 28 and 29? Okay.
Yes, Dear Lordship, the
You have the CD?
Lordship here offense relating to EC Act. EC Act is bailable. And here, while lodging the affair, that impression was taken that it might be a stolen property. So thereafter, Lordship, that aspect has been clarified by the lower court because Jimma of the rice as well as the vehicle has been handed over to that is the present petitioners before your Lordship. And there is the interim order also operating in this case. And pursuant to that, Lordship, they have appeared before the investigating officer. And subsequently, Jimma has been handed over to them. So that is the case. Otherwise,
Yesterday you have sought for adjournment on that ground, no? Have you produced the
no,
order?
that was at a different case, Lordship.
Okay.
I'll be filing affidavit in that case.
Lordship, in item number 28, Saidul Islam, he appeared, his statement is recorded, but in item 29, Lordship Nurul Islam, his statement is not available. So Lordship, after this it is required.
Then we will send back the CD in Nurul Islam.
Yes, for Nurul
28
Islam
yes.
also, yeah.
Learned Counsel Ms. T. Somis, yeah, at 18/11/2024, paragraph 1, a paragraph dia na kintu de. Paragraph 2. Three, 4, first page তে গোটেইখিনি আছে আৰু 4 লাষ্টৰ পাৰ্টখিনি নেক্সট পেজত যায়গৈ বাকীখিনি নালাগে আৰু 1 2 3 4 এটা পেৰাগ্ৰাফ অকল এটা লাইনৰ হয় হেৰি ইয়াত মিছ এণ্ডাছ লিখি দিবা I've considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. the petitioner has, I've considered the submission that the petitioner has appeared before the IO and has cooperated with the investigation. The petitioner has also not violated bail conditions. It is also submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the seized articles have already been given in Zimma of the petitioner. Considering all aspects, the interim order dated 18/11/2024 is hereby made absolute under the same terms and conditions. Send back the CD.
Lordship, in other item 29, my name may be shown.
Yes, third learned counsel Ms. T. Som for the 29 for the petitioner, and learned additional PP Ms. N. Das for the respondent state, full stop. Registry to reflect the name of Ms. T. Som as in the cause list. The learned additional PP has submitted that the statement of the petitioner is not found in the case diary. Send back the case diary, call for the up-to-date case diary. As it is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that he has already appeared before the IO. To establish the matter on 11 June.
Till then, interim order
shall remain in force till then.
I'm deeply obliged.
Item number 32.
Lordship, service report not received.
That response number 2.
Response number 2.
Service report on response number 2 is awaited. Please the matter on. You do not have the CD, no?
CD receipt, Lordship.
This is the 6th day, my lord. This is the 6th day, my lord. On the last occasion, this honorable court was pleased to.
Interim bail, no?
I am interim bail only for.
Send back the CD.
Only, my lord, only for 3 petitioners, mothers, sister-in-laws, and we are the, my lord, parents, brothers, my lord. The main
Lordship,
accused is
I'll
not
take,
before your
telephonic
lordship.
instruction.
The main.
I'll take telephonic
Afternoon,
instruction.
Afternoon at 2, let her take instructions.
Main accused, accused number 1 is not before your lordship. We are the parents, brothers and sisters.
Let her take instructions in the afternoon.
Highly obliged.
After some time, Lord.
After some time, not after.
Highly obliged.
Item 34.
May I finish, Lord? This is relating, my lord, child marriage, my lord. My lord,
You have the CD in this case.
my lord, LCR, my lord, scan copy of my lord.
Okay, we have
Yes,
it, I think.
yes.
We have it. Have you gone through the LCR?
But he can start. I will go through.
Okay, it'll read you also.
My lord, there is a law affairs, my lord, with the victim, my lord. At the time, my lord, at that time, my lord, victim was minor, my lord. Is it about 17 years plus, my lord? And thereafter, my lord, she create pressure, my lord, to.
We have served notice, my lord. Notice since paid, my lord, him to have been completed.
Charge is submitted, Lordship.
Charge is submitted.
Lordship.
So we'll approach the jurisdiction court. Learned counsel Mr. F.K. Ahmed is present for the particular learned additional PP Ms. N. Das has submitted that charge has been laid against the petitioner. One petitioner, no?
One.
Petitioner being CS number
53/25, dated 26/04/25.
The petitioner is at liberty to approach the jurisdiction court recommended by court bail, which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
Fine.
Item 36. একেবারে
May I please your lordship. May I please your lordship. My lord, is a Gorsuk PSK CD was called on, my lord, 7/4.
CD.
My lord, is a
One
Gorsuk
shot, please.
PSK has already, my lord, today.
One shot.
Taken up on tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow it won't come.
My lord,
CD
My
is
lord,
called
the
for
value
slot.
the
Just to give
FL
you a reminder, list the matter on.
my lord,
Updated
FL lost.
video. 27.
My lord,
We are trying to accommodate you in the on a hearing date.
PSK number 75. Highly obliged. Gorsuk PSK 7. May I please, Lord? Lord, in this case, my Lord, interim is there and he
Yeah, that's
appeared.
indeed.
And he appeared, my Lord, statement recorded.
Let
my-
us hear him. You have objection?
I have objection also because 183 statement has been recorded also, and she has implicated.
8 lordship. It's a charge sheeted matter lordship. Next date it fixed on 29th of May lordship. And the FIR in page number 8, may I read lordship?
No, 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 no. You'll have to call for you'll have to issue notice to the respondent number 2.
Lordship, we just want to appear before the trial court. We want case to trial lordship. So just one consideration to appear before the
Okay. Right.
lordship.
Hard learned counsel Miss
A Begum.
A Begum for the petitioner who has submitted that the petitioner is willing to appear before the learned trial court and face trial. Hard learned additional PP Mr. MP Goswami. Petition is hereby disposed of with the liberty to the petitioner to appear before the learned trial court and face trial.
Lordship, we filed a bail application and that bail will be considered accordance with law, Lordship.
That is given.
And the petitioner has also submitted that they have filed a bail application before the learned trial court. Post of the trial court is the trial court may consider the bail application in accordance with law.
Much obliged.
Lordship, my senior is on legs in port number 10, Lordship. That matter is still going on. So, Lordship, this matter may be fixed next week on any date, Monday or
Monday.
Thursday, on Thursday. Wednesday, on Wednesday.
22 আছে না আমার matter?
On Wednesday. Learned Counsel Miss M. Deka on behalf of Learned Standing Counsel DRI has submitted that submitted for time. Please the matter on submitted for adjournment লিখি দিয়া, submitted for adjournment.
Monday নিদিলে এটা 28 থাকবে না থাকে আছে much obliged.
Lordship, I'm for the respondent number 4 in this case, Lordship.
It must be an old application.
Lordship,
Must have come up after a long time.
no, Lordship,
Oh, it was here.
Yeah.
Just not very long ago.
the only thing, Lordship, they have approached this honorable court after the filing of the appeal before the learned trial court, Lordship.
They
So there is,
say nothing.
here is also no.
Also not here today.
But the only difficulty is that, Lordship, because of the pendency of this case, that appeal is not proceeding there, Lordship. So maybe on the next week, Lordship, on Thursday.
Petitioner is not represented today. Learned Counsel Mr. D. Das is present for the respondent number 4. Learned Government Advocate Ms. P. Gogoi, no? R. Gogoi is present for respondent number 1, 2, and 3. List this matter positively for hearing on failure of appearance of any of the parties on the next date. Necessary orders may be passed.
Lordship, I'm orders.
এইটো পাছবেলা উঠি পেলাই দিলে 2টা বজাত দিছে ন কোনোবা আহিছে নাই অহা ন pronounce কৰি দিম. His bail is granted on length of detention. Both